Hi Sam. I hope you're doing well today. Are you ready for another vocabulary word?
Hi Alex. Yes, I am excited. What word are we learning today?
Today we're focusing on the word.
Außerdem.
It means besides or in addition.
That sounds interesting. Is that a common word in
Deutsch,
Absolutely. It's quite common in both spoken and written.
Deutsch.
However, be careful, because it might seem like it could mean also, but it carries a slightly different nuance.
Good to know. So, how do we use
außerdem,
in a sentence?
Great question. You can use it to add information. For example, you might say,
Ich habe kein Geld. Außerdem habe ich keine Zeit.
which means I have no money. Besides, I have no time. Now, let's dive into the grammar aspect.
Außerdem.
Is an adverb, so it doesn't have a gender or plural form. It's used to connect clauses or sentences.
So, we can't really break it down like nouns or verbs.
Correct. It stands alone as an adverb. But if we look at it, it comes from
Außer.
meaning except or besides, and the suffix
Dem.
which is a dative article.
That's interesting. Where does the word come from?
The roots of
Außerdem.
trace back to Old High German, where
Außer.
meant aside or beyond. Over time, it evolved into its current form, which we use today to connect thoughts and ideas.
That's fascinating. I didn't know words could change so much over time.
Yes, language is always evolving. Now, let's break down.
Außerdem.
The prefix
Außer.
gives a sense of exception, and when combined with
Dem.
it emphasizes the addition of something extra.
That makes sense. Are there similar words in
Deutsch,
Yes, definitely. For example, there are words with the prefix
Außer.
like,
Außerhalb.
which means outside of, and
Außerordentlich.
meaning extraordinary.
Those sound useful. What about other adverbs?
You can also consider
Darüber hinaus.
which means furthermore, and
Des Weiteren.
meaning moreover.
Wow, I can see how these would be helpful.
And don't forget about nouns like
Außergewöhnlichkeit.
which means exceptionality. Now let's practice using
Außerdem.
in real-life situations. Imagine you're talking to a friend about going to a concert. You might say,
Ich möchte zum Konzert gehen. Außerdem habe ich ein Ticket.
So that means, I want to go to the concert. Besides, I have a ticket.
Exactly. Now, try this. You're explaining why you can't go to a party. You could say,
Ich kann nicht kommen. Außerdem habe ich viel Arbeit.
I can't come. Besides, I have a lot of work.
perfect. And one more, you're discussing your favorite movies. You might say,
Ich liebe Actionfilme. Außerdem mag ich Komödien.
I love action movies. Besides, I like comedies.
you're doing great. Now, let's think about gender hints. Since
Außerdem.
is an adverb, there's no gender to remember. But if it were a noun, like
Außer.
you'd think of it as masculine.
I see. So there's not much to remember for this word.
Exactly. Just remember that it adds additional information. Now, let's talk about how to use it in different contexts.
Außerdem.
Is often used in both formal and informal settings. You might say it in conversations with friends or during presentations.
Are there any common phrases that use?
Außerdem.
Yes, you might hear phrases like,
Außerdem ist es wichtig.
which means in addition, it is important. Or,
Außerdem sollte man beachten.
meaning furthermore, one should consider.
That's helpful. Are there other words that are often confused with?
Außerdem.
Yes, people sometimes confuse it with,
Auch.
which means also. Remember that.
Außerdem.
Adds more information, whereas
Auch.
simply adds another item. Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Außerdem.
mean?
It means besides or in addition.
Great. Is it a noun or an adverb?
It's an adverb.
Correct. Can you give me an example sentence with?
Außerdem.
I can say,
Ich mag Pizza. Außerdem esse ich gerne Pasta.
Perfect. What is the origin of the word?
it comes from Old High German, right?
Exactly. Last question, can
Außerdem.
be used in formal settings.
Yes, it can be used formally and informally.
You did an amazing job today, Sam. So, to summarize,
Außerdem.
means besides or in addition and is a useful adverb for connecting thoughts.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about this word.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I can't wait to see you next time.